Welcome to Timeline Chronicles. Today, we are exploring the land of culture, freedom, and diversity, West Bengal. From ancient kingdoms to freedom struggles, from poets to revolutions, West Bengal has played a huge role in shaping India's history. Let's travel through its timeline together. The story of Bengal goes back thousands of years. It was mentioned in ancient texts like Mahabharata. The region saw powerful empires, the Mauryas, Guptas, and Palas. The Pala dynasty made Bengal a center of Buddhism, art, and learning. Later, the Delhi Sultanate and Mughals controlled Bengal. The fertile land made it the wealthiest province of the empire. Bengal became famous for its fine muslin, silk, and trade. This attracted European powers like the Portuguese, Dutch, French, and the British. In 1757, the Battle of Plassey changed everything. The British East India Company defeated Siraj ud Dawla, the Nawab of Bengal, marking the start of British rule in India. Kolkata, was known as Calcutta, became the capital of British East India Company until 1911. Bengal was also the first to feel the pain of colonial exploitation. But the Bengal also became the birthplace of ideas. The 19th century saw the rebirth of Bengal with the leaders like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Vivekanand, and Rabindranath Tagore. They fought against social evils, promoted education, and gave India a new spirit of reform and progress. West Bengal was a center of India's freedom movement. From revolutionaries like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, and Raj Bihari Bose, to mass movements like the Swadeshi Andolan after the partition of Bengal in 1905. Bengal was always at the front lines of India's fight for independence. After independence in 1947, Bengal was divided into East Bengal, now known as Bangladesh, and West Bengal, which became the part of India. Today, West Bengal is known for its culture, literature, art, and festivals. From Durga Puja celebrations to the work of Satyajit Ray, Bengal's contribution to India is priceless. So that's the story of West Bengal, a land of empires, struggles, revolutions, and creativity. It reminds us that history is not just about battles and rulers, but also about ideas, unity, and culture. At Timeline Chronicles, we believe every state has a story worth telling. West Bengal's story teaches us resilience, creativity, and the power of people. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. Till then, bye bye, take care.